The big question you might be asking is, well, can I use a spreadsheet? You might already be using a spreadsheet to record income and expenditure. And if you are, the answer to that is yes, you can use a spreadsheet, but the spreadsheet alone is not sufficient. There has to be a digital connector, a bridge, if you like, that will take the information from the spreadsheet and push it into the HMRC system. So that bridge would be called an API of some sort, and it's known as bridging software. And again, plenty of providers will be offering bridging software, so keep a lookout for that. TaxCalc is definitely a front runner at the moment, and they're getting their information out, albeit their pricing is yet to be understood. It hasn't been made public yet, so we know there's functionality there, but we don't know how much it's going to cost us as a taxpayer. But yes, a digital bridge from software to HMRC system is another option. It may be that it's, well, who knows? In one way, it might be less intuitive. In the other way, it actually might be more straightforward. It's really all still up for grabs, to be honest.